Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best men's beanie hats in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Level Beanie Hat Cap. Cut and dry, this is as traditional and simple as a beanie gets. When people think of a beanie, what probably appears in their mind is something along the lines of this cap. Synthetic materials and a tight-knit construction make this one your standard winter beanie at a great price. Warmth and weather resistance are strong, and the adjustable cuff and stretchy build make this one adaptable to anyone's head. The warmth here is terrific, but the build of this one makes it one of the least breathable from our test group, and that can make this one a bit too hot if you start really exerting yourself. The material itself isn't the most breathable and can wind up getting itchy when you wear it for lengthy periods of time. If you need a simple and straightforward beanie to stay very warm and dry, this one should be a staple for anyone living in or even passing through colder climates. Coming in at a low price point and offered in many color options, this is a great purchase to add to your winter wear when the cold and wet days really hit home. Number 2. Our second best pick is Neff Daily Heather Beanie Hat for Men. Lighthearted and casual, this is exactly the kind of hat we like for the cold season coming in. This beanie is soft and fluffy and plenty warm. From the ski lodge to base camp, this one is the relaxed fit that will keep your noggin toasty from the time you have your morning coffee till you turn in at night. The thick and soft thread keeps the wearability and warmth on high, while the slouchy design keeps it comfortable in any situation. Loosely knit, its fabric sheds quickly and can look a bit furry after a while. This beanie's overall slouchy look isn't everyone's cup of tea, and even though it can be cuffed if needed, it doesn't look like it's meant to be worn that way. At the end of the day, Neff is synonymous with super chill and warm winter style, and this one comes in a ton of colors, making it a great buy for anyone seeking a casual look at an accessible price point that still maintains function and comfort. Number 3. Our third best pick is OZERO Winter Beanie Daily Hat. Looking for a hat to keep that melon feeling snug and warm? This beanie has your name all over it. This hat has a wool-like polyester fleece liner that would leave you hard-pressed to find anything softer to cover your head this winter. The double layers of synthetics keep this one warm and smooth all day through. One of the downsides to the winter daily beanie that we found was the depth of fit. On a longer or wider shaped head, it may not give the coverage you need, and coupled with the fact that the cuff is stitched into place, it doesn't lend to custom adjustment. This can leave you wanting more from this cozy piece of headwear if your head runs on the larger side. If you are in the medium to a smaller size or prefer a smaller hat on a bigger head, this beanie is perfect for cold winter days when you want to be super warm and comfy and look good doing it. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Connectyle Classic Men's Warm Winter Hats. Warm, affordable, and stylish, Connectyle makes a great option with traditional looks and great functionality. This is a double-layered synthetic beanie, which helps this winter hat keep you warm and dry while looking good while doing it. Wide rib knitting gives a bulkier and incredibly comfortable build to a hat that can keep up on the trail or in the city. This beanie comes in a wide array of colors so you can show your own style. Connectyle made this one feel super comfy all day long, whether you are getting up and getting active or lounging around. Coming with a wide opening can make this beanie feel a bit loose on a smaller head, but it stays nicely in place and adjusts well on other head sizes. The thread pills pretty fast, but it gives it some character and keeps things looking appealing. The internal seams seem a bit ragged, but this doesn't impact the look or comfort, so it didn't bother us in testing. All things considered, this one is a lot of hats for a small price. Comfort, style, and warmth packaged up into one affordable beanie that can be used in any application? Sounds like a good choice to us. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is -33 Ridge Cuff Beanie Hat. Trying to find that perfect beanie that you can run in during the morning and climb a mountain with on the weekend can be tough if you haven't looked at this beanie. It uses lightweight Australian merino wool to give us an athletic, slim-fitting beanie that is very versatile. Soft and comfortable, the natural fibers also provide a warm, breathable hat that can wick away moisture and dry quickly. Being an overly versatile beanie can come with some disadvantages, but with this hat, you would be hard-pressed to find many of them. The tight to the head and thinner build may not be the look for everyone, and while it is weather-resistant, it is not a thick hat, which can lead to getting a chill in high winds. Overall, this hat is a multi-tool, great for keeping in your pack list for any excursion or your daily use around town. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.